Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Earth sign Capricorn. This reading is for remaining month of June. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. So let's see Capricorn, your recent past. 10 of Cups, Queen of Cups, the Moon. You person or you could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Queen of Cups, lot of water energies here. I think some secrets are hidden in this connection. You could be hide something from your partner or your partner could be hide something from you. There are some trusting issues also between both of you in past. Queen of Cups, but the energy between both of you is very nurturing and very loving. And 10 of Cups, yes, you both want this connection and you both want this happy life with each other. 10 of Cups is a family card. So I think for some there is also one person is already married. They have also kids for some. For some your person want to be with you forever. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Capricorn. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, Six of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you or your person could be. Knight of Cups, yeah. Definitely your person want to offer long-term commitment. Right now he's thinking. And in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Definitely. But this time your person want to offer equal give and take to this connection. Or you could be, or you want to give equal give and take to this connection. Whoever not giving in past. And Knight of Cups, definitely this person want to offer this cup of love to you, or you maybe want to offer this cup of love to your person. It could be anyone in your connection. It is coming, it is stable but slow. Knight of Cups is very slow but stable offer. So definitely a Knight of Cups and Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Letting go. Eight of Cups. Wow. Ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles. Harmony. Wow. I think one person in this connection is walked away, letting go. Eight of Cups. But he realized you both and want to come towards you and want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles. It is low but want to work on this relationship seriously because harmony. Your person want harmony with you. 10 of Cups or 2 times 10 of Cups in this reading. First in past and now in future. Definitely your person want to marry you. Your person want to commitment to you, to give commitment to you, because Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Definitely your person want to give long-term commitment to you. He is serious now. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Comparison. 5 of Swords. The outsider. Definitely in past separation between both of you. Laziness. Nine of Cups. And the last card for the reading. Postponement. And under the deck is suppression. 10 of Wands. So definitely for some there is separation in past. Postponement means 4 of Swords. Your person is thinking about you a lot. Are they in healing state or in meditation state? You are their wish fulfillment. And outsider, definitely 5 of Pentacles. One person leaving the other person in cold in past, definitely because the moon is here and 8 of Cups is here. In past, definitely because there are some disputes between both of you. Comparison, 5 of Swords. So there are some issues going between both of you, but they are going to be, and because your person want to come towards you and want to offer this 10 of Cups to you. So patience is needed in this connection, because because your person right now in healing state. Once the healing is completed, definitely he will approach you. Until you have to be patient. So ordinance, definitely want to work on this relationship seriously. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.